What's up guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we are talking again about Temu mobile app and I'm gonna be showing you how to add products to your wish lists. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So basically guys, what is wishlist? Wishlist is a place where you can add the products you don't have money to buy currently or whatsoever. So basically a wishlist is like a place where you place the items you cannot or don't want to buy in this moment, but you will need them in the near future. So you plan to buy them in the near future, so you want them to be on one place so you can find them easily. So how to add items to the wish list? So first of all, let's find something interesting. So when we scroll down over here, we are having loads and loads of options. So basically, what do we want? So basically, let's say we like these glasses. So let's go over here. So we can add them to the cart and so on and so forth. There are loads and loads of options. So by pressing add to cart, you can easily add them to the cart for buying, but you don't want to add them to the cart, you want to add them to your wish lists. So basically we can go to manage cart, just select over here and place remove. So we can just go to remove over here, and as you can see the cart is empty. So let's return to these glasses. So if we press over here, we can share them. So how to exactly add them to the wish list? So how to add them to your wish list? Basically go to the bottom of this product and just go over here and press on the heart option over here and just press save to wishlist. So guys, quite an easy process. You just need to navigate to the bottom over here. As you can see, product details, just press save and select save to wishlist. So guys, quite an easy process. Hopefully this helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.